Well, if you thought the deals were over because the 10 days of deals are gone, you don't know Harbor Freight very well. They're calling this sale 4 days to save, and it's several super coupons you can take advantage of this week through the 14th. Let's take a look. You got that super coupon for the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump at $219.99. That's $50 off. Comes in 4 colors. And you'll notice with super coupons, you can use them in store and online. So you're not just restricted to go in the store. If you're in a remote area, bundle some of these and have them shipped in. You got that 12-inch dual bevel Hercules sliding compound miter saw, and it's got that LED guide. $20 off at $329.99. This is a full 5 stars on this. People love this saw. How about that 2300 PSI? That's a nice home pressure washer. It's 1.2 gallon per minute. It has a brushless motor. It's a $199.99, down $50 from $249.99. A nice McGraw 8-gallon 150 PSI oil-free shop air compressor. It's down $20 to $139.99. These are the heavy-duty 1,000-pound capacity 1.5 by 10 ratcheting tie-downs. This is a superior product to the little orange ones, and of course they're fine, but this is a better variety of that by Hallmaster, $17.99, down 28%. If you don't have an angle grinder, you're a young guy getting your stuff together, hey, for $12.99 you can keep this one until you can get another one. I've had one of these for years. It still works. So I highly recommend it at $12.99. It's a Warrior brand. Here's your nice low lift transmission jack. So if you've got to get something under that car, a rear end or a transmission, something of that nature. It's 450 pounds. Don't be lifting a heavy engine with it, but most other things. $89.99. It's down $35. Here's you a nice variable speed rotary hammer by Hercules. It's got the vibration control, $40 off. It's down to $189.99. Gas powered chainsaw, there's still a use for them. If you're cutting a lot of stuff up, you'll know what I mean. 42 cc's, 18-inch. It's made by Portland, $149.99. These carts are wonderful. A lot of guys use them to get things on and off their tailgates, on and off their workbenches, and then use it even as a utility cart. So variable use. This one's 500 pounds. They do have 1,000 pounds units. I don't think it's on sale at the moment, but $30 off, $219.99. A nice shop light, 18,000 lumen. It's got the detachable work lights, down $25 to $99.99, nearly a 5-star rating. If you're able to step up a little bit and get you a little better grinder than the Warrior, here's the Bauer coming in at $22.99, 23% off. So just a few more dollars, you get a whole lot better grinder. Here's a R134A manifold gauge set. So make sure you younger guys that are getting into this is Icon brand, that you're paying attention to the type of refrigerant you have. This one's $40 off at $159.99, a full 5 stars. Nice I cannot say that. Sump pump, 2,000 gallons per hour, $69.99, down $30. Here's a contractor grade garden hose, 50 foot, $17.99. This is only coming in at 4 stars, but you can get a better hose somewhere, but you're gonna pay double, triple the price. So if you need one to kick around, $17.99 is a no-brainer, 25% off during the sale. Harbor Freight continues to lead with their jack prices, and this is another example. 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $27.99, is 30% off. This can be used obviously to lift a semi-trailer, a semi back in to change a tire. It can be used to help level your house because it'll lift portions of your house so you can put new beams in. So if this is something you could use, it's a great buy. Hey, feel free to copy these coupons and carry them with you on your phone. They should be fine. They will use them. And these sales are good through Friday. I understand that there's going to be a free bucket sale this weekend. Not sure the details yet, but they will be forthcoming. If these videos are of use to you and helpful in any way, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. And until the next video, y'all take care.